Hey guys, I want to talk to you about starting a YouTube channel in your 40s or even in your 50s. And I see a lot of creators talking about this now. It's kind of like the trend, starting a YouTube channel in your 40s. But I want to tell you my experience because that's exactly what I did. I'm in my mid 50s now, and 10 years ago I started a YouTube channel. And I was the most unlikely person in the world to do something like this because when I was a kid and a teen and young adult, I was a introvert, very shy. I would have never got on camera back then. I just didn't think I'd do something like this. Okay, so I don't know what compelled me to do it 2 years ago. I had a website and I felt like I should just start making content. Okay, this is this YouTube channel you see right here. This is the Wholesaler's Toolbox. This is the website I started. And I've got to tell you that most of the money that I've made has come from the YouTube channel, not from the website. My business is affiliate marketing, and most people online through websites, through blogs, through YouTube. They make their money through affiliate marketing. Now there's some channels on YouTube that get paid a lot of money from views, right? But the problem with that is, you need to have a lot of views, a lot, I mean like thousands and thousands to make money off that, to make a living off that. And I don't have that kind of views on my channel. I get good views, but I don't have enough to where I can just live off of ad revenue for having a YouTube channel. So what I do is I make content around products. And me personally, I don't do like Amazon stuff because Amazon just pays, such a fraction on stuff. I make my content on digital products, either software or courses, because those things pay a lot more in affiliate commission. Software usually pays anywhere from 20 to 40%. Courses usually pay 50% or, close to it anyway. So, there's people out there making great products. They're making, again, software, anything from the screen recorder that I'm shooting this with to a website builder to a CRM to, you name it. I mean, there's like a million digital products online, and very intelligent people build these tremendous products, and they say, hey, we need people to help promote them. So they'll put together an affiliate program, right? And you can just sign up for it. Usually off of their website, they'll have a little link down at the footer of their website that'll say affiliate, and you just sign up for it, if you like a product or you find a product that you think is really good, and you can promote the heck out of it. Same with courses, right? If you find a really good course on a topic, you can make a review video on that and sign up for their affiliate program and promote it, right? And that's how I've made my money for the past 10 years, is promoting software and promoting courses, right? Doing review videos on them. Now it's probably wise, if you're going to do this, to pick a niche, right? So my thing was like real estate. I've been around real estate for 20 plus years in all different kinds of, capacities, right? I was a real estate agent. I inspected houses. I was a mortgage broker. I had some crews and rehabbed houses for investors. I wholesale property. I've done all these things in real estate. So I have a lot of knowledge around that, right? So I just started a channel that has to do with real estate. And now I'm starting this one that you're watching this video on about online marketing, because now I have some expertise in that. Now, I'm not saying I'm the world's, foremost authority on online marketing, but I have some skill in it. I've made money at it for 10 years. So I think I have some things to share. But you can do a channel on anything, right? You can review, pick something you like. It doesn't have to be something that you're experienced in. It can just be something that you have an interest in, right? That you find interesting, that you want to talk about. So it doesn't have to be you saying, I'm the expert in this thing. It can be you saying, I'm really interested in this thing and follow me on my journey because I'm learning about, this thing or this product or that product. And you can make really good content without being an expert. Okay. So again, this is my channel and I want to show you another channel here. This is a guy that I follow because he does similar content that I do. He talks about making money online and he talks about different products and he does product reviews. Now, if you look at his channel compared to my channel, I've got 11,200 followers right now on my real estate channel. Alan here has got 543,000. Okay. And he's made a ton more videos than I have, 1,500 videos. All right. So he makes a lot of money from views, right? Because he gets, that many videos out there. You get a lot of view time, you get a lot of ads played on your videos, and you make a lot of money. Okay. But he also makes a lot of money from affiliate marketing. Okay. So I follow Alan and I also joined Alan's course. I'm going to talk to you about in a minute. But if you want to start a channel and you don't want to start a channel, about like gardening or fishing or whatever, right? You don't think you have anything that interesting to talk about or that much experience in something to talk about, start a review channel, right? Pick a topic and then go out in the world, in the internet world, and find products that will help people with that topic. So for example, make money online. I make money about screen recorders, right? I make money about website builders. I can make topics about all that stuff, right? Real estate, I can make, topics about real estate software and real estate courses and you get the picture, right? So pick a thing and go out and find courses around that. And then it's really easy, right? So I'm making this video right now and there's all kinds of screen recorders, but I'm making this video on one that's called Tele, right? So on YouTube, I made a couple of Tele review videos, right? So I go in and I just say, hey, this is the product. This is how I make videos with it, right? And I just, I go through their sales page, right? This is how you do it. And this is what their pricing is and kind of like product, here's all the features and, and you can just walk through the website, right? You can sign up for the product. You can do a free trial of the product and you just make reviews and just give your honest opinion. Right? Sign up. If you go down here to the bottom, let's scroll down here all the way. And you can see right here, they have a link to be an affiliate, right? And you can sign up. This is on most websites. You can sign up right on their website to be an affiliate. If you don't see a link on the website, you can just go to Google and Google the name of the company or the name of the course. And after it, put affiliate or affiliate program and search it. And if they have an affiliate program, it's going to come up. Okay. So, if you're thinking about doing this, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel like mine, right? Whatever your niche, if you're thinking about starting one like Alan, you can do it. You can do just like this. Just get a screen recorder, Tele or something else, and get on here and just start making videos. Setting up your YouTube channel's easy. Getting the software is easy, right? And just start rolling. Now, I mentioned that I got Alan's course. Him and his partner have a course on how to make money passively on YouTube, right? Using an evergreen formula. And I'm not going to give it all away, but the evergreen formula is making content using keywords that people are searching for. So again, I make review videos. So I do whatever the product with the word review after it, or this product versus this product, right? Or keywords like that, that people are going into YouTube and searching every day. Sometimes they go into Google and search it, and the YouTube videos come right up on the front page of Google. So focusing on those evergreen view tactics, or the evergreen view formula, these guys have made a ton of money, right? So I'm going to drop the link. If you want to sign up for their course, I'm going to drop that link for you in the description. I'm going to put the link for Tella down there too. And I'm going to put one for my Facebook group, which is called Beach Bum University, the same as this YouTube channel. So if you want to join the Facebook group and talk to me and ask me questions about affiliate marketing, we can chit chat in there too, okay? So, but once you sign up for Jet Video Academy, which is what their course is, you go in here and they have a ton of content, right? Just a ton of content about, like, you know, what this is all about the equipment you need, about picking your niche, about setting up your channel, creating the content, uploading your videos, making money, blah, 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 you know, all that stuff, right? The one that really got me, because again, I've been doing this a long time, is in the, is it intro, making money maybe? They go into, maybe it's here, or it could be in their intro, but they go in, Alan and his partner both go into how much money that they've made over time on their YouTube channels. Oh, here it is. Overview of Alan results, overview of Greg results. All right. So, but they go over what they've done. And it was really a kick in the ass for me because, like I said, I've had my channel for 10 years and I've made a lot of money on it, but I have a fraction of the videos. I've got like a couple hundred videos and I've deleted some over time, but just because they were old and dated. But, you know, Alan's got 1,500 videos. And if I would have stayed consistent like he did, or like Greg did for that matter, I'd be making 10 times the money that I've made. And I've made good money, but they've made a lot more, right? So all their content's really good. And even somebody that's been doing it 10 years, I got a lot out of this, right? And it's really kicked me into high gear with what I'm doing, okay? So if you want to go deep, go ahead and get their course. I highly recommend it, okay? So that's it, guys. I'm not going to go forever on this, but if you are 40, 50 years old, 60 years old, and want to start a YouTube channel, do it. Do this. Make review videos. Get on there and talk about something that you have experience in or something that you're interested in. Because we have an advantage of being a little bit older, is because people see us as seasoned, as trustworthy, because we've been around a bit, right? So if you're thinking about it, if you're contemplating it, absolutely do it. Okay. Again, I'm going to link to some things, my Facebook group, the screen recorder, smart money tactics, YouTube channel, Jet Video Academy, all that I'm going to put in the description. But join me on this journey, and I think you can make a really good income, and you'll really enjoy doing it. Okay. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.